A predictor of the future. I like to think, you know, what I would have thought 5 years ago, and then to think where we are. It's
that's
pretty
the
amazing.
Of the show, Pete. You know, we can all be predictors.
No, I'm going to tell you what I think. But I'm just saying.
And we all know how easy it is to predict technology.
Yeah, I hear you. I hear you. No, I think, and again, I'm a bit partial to this. I've been a big proponent of IPv6 over the years, and as we see this exhaustion of addresses of the V4 world, for those in the audience and those listening, we're running two versions of the internet today, globally, and I think being the United States government, being one of those first in with the technology, we're going to see as we migrate to IPv6, and we have to over the coming year, an explosion of global connectivity. I think we're going to be doing things a couple years from now that we never thought possible, and we're seeing some of it coming out with the latest craze on this fourth generation or whatever the generation is with the iPhones, and walking around the street video conferencing live. We talked about that a few years ago as, will it be choppy, will it be realistic, will it work? Well, it is, and that's this evolution. So I think IP, the internet protocol, is going to be a heavy hitter in terms of how we're communicating, the types of information and applications we're using in the internet. I think from a DOE perspective, the smart grid's going to become a terminology that we all understand more so than we do today. Again, it's the idea of taking IP to our electricity grid here in the country, and being able to control smart meters through the internet and so forth, and in our homes. Telepresence is something that will become not just a novelty, but something that really is how we're doing communications through video in government. They're expensive, but at the end of the day, I think that, along with the mobile and the wireless, our applications will become the again, utilities of us and for us and how we conduct our business versus the toys and nice to have features.